So we're at the Paradisus Playa del Carmen, and we're going to where the rooms are at the resort. So if you go down this little walkway here, you're greeted with some pictures, little area, more pictures. So we have the walkway here. This is where you enter in. So you go around the gift shop, this little entrance, and you see all the rooms here. So we got swim out, we have swim outs, and one on some of the spots here, as you can tell. We got swim outs here, and then we have this nice walkway going towards the pools. So those swim out pools are pretty cool. Extra cost, of course, but you have all this here, which is pretty nice. So we're walking towards the main area, and this is like the main food bar at the walkway here by the pools, the main pools, so, and the kiddie pool. So it's called the Celsius Food Food Bar and Grill. So this is where they have the main area, where they also have the swim up bar right below it. So this part right here is where you get all your drinks at the main pool area. So they have the Celsius Pool Bar and Grill. Again, this is the main pool. This is where they usually make some hot dogs and hamburgers here, and they have all this good stuff. So they have all the toppings. Look at that, boom, boom, boom. Got all the toppings here, and that's the grill over there. He's making all the burgers and hot dogs and things like that. Then they have the inside ones right here, and they make all the food over there too. So you get different foods like nachos and things like that. Let's take a look at the menu here. Hello, hello. This is all the food stuff here. You can also do fish tacos too, which are amazing. And everyone says hello to you here. Everyone's so nice. Look at the food over there. Look at that. Look at this food here. It's nice. Nice little spot. Then you got the little bar here too. See, and they always busy getting drinks, right? Which is nice. And then below, like I said, is a swim up, which we're gonna see. But yeah, we got all the food here. Nice little spot. We're gonna get some drinks in a minute here, but wanted to show you this. So again, this is Playa del Carmen, Paradisus, and this, and again, the grill here, and we got the swim up joint right here too. Boom, swim up bar, the water, got the French fries here too. Celsius, Playa del Carmen, Paradisus. Hit them like, shares, follows. Leave a comment if you've been here. Leave a comment if you want some questions answered, and we're gonna catch you on the next one.